Hey everyone, Lance Steers here to talk to you about the best, the most awesome direct mail programming ever called Club Cash Fund. Have you heard of it? Well, first and foremost, we are going to open some mail and I'm going to show you some proof right off the bat that Club Cash Fund works. So I'm going to do that right off the bat. So first, give me a second here so I can enlarge my picture a little bit so you can see. And then what we're going to do is open this mail. As you can see, this is an envelope. Came to me yesterday. It is still closed. I'm gonna get my trusty. There we go. And then we're gonna open this mail. Okay. And then we come inside. Look at that. Oh, look at this. 20, 40, $60. There's nothing more awesome than cash right in your mail. A lot better than bills, I'm telling you here. Now let me tell you a little bit something about Club Cash Fund. Here, there is, here at Club Cash Fund, it's just so much easier than most of your traditional mail marketing. Why? Because Club Cash Fund does it all for you. A traditional a traditional direct mail service, you have to do everything. Okay, you're stuffing your envelopes, you're making your own trip down to the post office. But you know what? At Club Cash Fund, everything is done for you. There's no mailing your own kits. There's no addressing labels. There's no posting stamps. There's no making unnecessary trips down to your local post office. At Club Cash Fund, everything is done for you. How simple is that? Where all you have to do is pay your one-time fee and everything is done for you. Okay? So set all of that other traditional crap behind because a Club Cash Fund is not necessary. Now, I like to say that Club Cash Fund is for the serious entrepreneur only. Why? That is because there is a one-time fee involved of $100. Don't let that stop you guys. We pay the $100 for Club Cash Fund to do everything. So how simple is that when you pay a one-time fee and Club Cash Fund does it all for you. I know most people out there are looking for either free or cheap businesses, and they're out there, but they all require a lot more work than at Club Cash Fund. You've seen the proof right here that it works. And let me just quickly show you something else in my back office. This here lady you see here is my sponsor, Miss Teresa Clayton. Since Club Cash Fund was founded back in 2019, my sponsor, Miss Teresa Clayton, has made $35,000, over $35,000 since the founding of Club Cash Fund in 1999, in 2019. So it's an awesome business with definitely full of potential. And if you need to know more about it, all you, here's how it works. You click on my link in the comment section below this video. You request your free kit, which Club Cash Fund mails out on your behalf, and that's all you hit do. Once you receive your free kit, you read it over, and you see if the business is right for you. It might not be right for everybody. If it is right for you, you send in your one-time payment of $100, and that's it. You're in. You get a website built for you with your own personal ID number, and that's it. That's all you have to do to join Club Cash Fund, and then you're on your way to getting cold hard cash right in your mailbox. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.